Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to choose Connections and tap on More Connection Settings. Finally, click on Printing section and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service though, you need to disable this one and go back. Now tap on Download plugin and install the best service for you. I will go with HP1. When your app is ready, go back twice. Now just click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!